everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to update the BIOS on your ASUS motherboard with the ASUS Easy Flash utility. It's really quite simple to do, and this will ensure that your motherboard and system is running as intended with the latest firmware. We're going to start out with setting up the flash drive so it's ready to go with the files you need. Then we're going to jump over to the BIOS and use the Easy Flash utility to update the firmware. Now, first step, let's go ahead and plug our flash drive into our PC. All right, so over on your PC, we'll go ahead and load up our browser, and you're gonna wanna do a search for your specific motherboard. I'm using the ASUS TUF Gaming X670E Plus Wi-Fi motherboard, but it's important to download the firmware or BIOS version for your exact motherboard. So I'll put a link to the main page, but you'll need to search for your specific motherboard. So again, this is mine. Under support here, we're gonna click support at the top. And then you should see the option for driver and tools. We can go ahead and select that. And then under driver and tools, there's an option here that says BIOS and firmware. We can select that. And this will show us all the most recent BIOS versions. So you would typically pick the newest one. That's the one I'm going to be using today right here. So over on the right-hand side, and again, make sure this is the exact one for your specific motherboard. We'll go ahead and hit download. And it should start downloading. It's right there. I'm going to actually just move that to my desktop. From there, let's go ahead and unzip this folder. So I'm going to go ahead and right click on it. And you should see an option here that says extract all. You can go ahead and left click on that. And we can select a destination. I'm just going to do it here on my desktop. So we'll just go ahead and hit extract. And then you can see it created a new folder here that does not have the zipper on it, and opened up for myself. So in here you can see we have two files. We've got BIOS renamer as well as this other file here that's got a longer name to it. We need to open up the BIOS renamer, so just double click on that, and it's gonna rename the other file. So it's going from this long name here to the shorter one here, .cap. So your name might be slightly different, but you do need to rename it. So it says press any key to continue. We'll hit the space bar, and you can see that the file name here got shortened. Now from there, we need to go ahead and find our flash drive. So over here on the left-hand side in File Explorer, we can search for that. I've got a few different drives here, but mine's this one right here, the D drive, USD-USB. Yours is likely named something different. We can go ahead and click on that, and we're gonna go ahead and format this drive. So make sure anything on this flash drive is backed up, because you will lose it all if you do format it. So make sure you don't have any important documents there. We're gonna go ahead and right-click on that specific drive right here on the left. And then you'll see the option that says format. You can go right there and left click on that. And this is an important step. We do want to make sure that the file system is set to FAT32. So make sure that's selected, and you can change the name if you like. I'm not going to do that. And here at the bottom, we can go ahead and hit start. And again, if you do this, you'll lose all the files on that flash drive. So we'll just go ahead and hit start here. It's going to give us a warning again that we're going to lose all the files on there. We'll hit OK. And it's going to format that flash drive, and it says format complete. And if I go ahead and open up the folder here, the unzipped one, we can go ahead and move that file over to our flash drive. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag this down and drop it on our flash drive there. And we just want to confirm that it's in there. Open that up. There it is. And I know there's lots of different ways to copy that file, but that seems to be the quickest. So from here, we can go ahead and open up our BIOS and update that firmware. So we'll go ahead and restart our system. So down here at the bottom, we'll just restart it. And as your PC loads up, you can either hit the delete key or F2, and that should take you right into the BIOS. Now, once we're here in the BIOS, we need to go down to the bottom. It says advanced mode here in the bottom right-hand corner, or you can hit F7 on your keyboard. So we'll just go ahead and left click on that. It'll take us to the advanced mode. You can see my current BIOS version is right here, as well as the date. So it's about a year old at the moment. But to update it, we're going to go over to tools here at the top. And then you're going to see the ASUS Easy Flash 3 utility. Now I should say, again, just be careful. If there's any extremely important documents on your computer, you should probably back those up before you do this process. But we'll go ahead and select ASUS Easy Flash. Now from here, we'll go ahead and search for the file. So I can just tap on the different storage devices. And if I tap on this first one, I can see the file right here. The other thing I do want to mention is don't turn off your computer during this process. We need to have stable power so it doesn't hurt or damage your motherboard. So once we've got this, we'll go ahead and tap on that file. It is going to give us an important notice. So if you're using BitLocker, it says please back up your BitLocker recovery key and suspend BitLocker encryption in the operating system before updating your BIOS. I'm not using that, but if you are, you'll need to go back and do that. From here, we can go ahead and hit yes. It does say your system will restart before updating the BIOS. So again, just leave that flash drive in there and don't turn off your computer. It'll do it automatically for you. We'll hit yes. Do you want to read this file? Yes. Do you really want to update the BIOS with this information? Yes. And it's going to start processing. So we'll let it do its thing here. It's going to restart. Again, it's processing. We're about halfway through, and that's been about 3 minutes in total. All right, it says the update was successful. System will reset. BIOS is updating. Do not shut down or reset your system to prevent system boot up failure. So don't touch anything. We're about 6 minutes in so far. BIOS is updating. LED firmware. Again, do not shut it down. It's rebooting again, and it wants me to hit F1 this time to enter the BIOS. And there we go. All right, so that is complete. It took about 8 minutes or so for it to finish. I do want to say it did reset a few of the settings here. So currently my Expo is disabled. So go through if there's some settings that you've changed in there, make sure they're turned on in the way you want them. And if I go back over to the advanced mode here, we can see that my BIOS version has been updated with the current date as well. So really it's that simple to update the ASUS motherboard BIOS using the ASUS Easy Flash 3 utility.